Hey guys, Soccer from sakitech. In today's video, we are going to be talking about a powerful new feature for millions of Samsung Galaxy smartphones. So let's dive in and get started right away. Now, as you may or may not know, Samsung has a built-in application known as the Samsung Find application that is designed to find your Samsung products in case you lose those products. So I have blurred the image here because this gives up my location, and there's some blurring over here because it shows my address. But basically, if I tap on any one of these products, let's tap on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge and tap on More, it brings up this menu right here. Now, this is the old version. You can see at the bottom, we can search for this phone. We can even navigate to this phone. And by the way, that phone is sitting right over here as an example, okay? But with the new update, they have added a brand new feature that's going to show up right here. That is going to be the lost mode. So with the latest update, it's going to look like this. It's going to say search nearby, navigate, and the lost mode that you can turn on. And that's going to give you some powerful new features. In this video, we're going to be talking about all these new features, which takes this entire application to the next level. So first, let me show you guys how to update this. So basically what you want to do is, if you have the old version, you want to tap on the three dots right over here, and then you want to go into the settings, okay? And then you want to scroll down, you want to tap on About Samsung Find, and then you want to tap on Update. Now the current version that I have is 1.7.00.9. A new version is available. I'm going to tap on Update. That's going to take me to the store, and you can see, if I look over here, this is the new version, 1.8.00.6. I'm going to tap on Update, and as I'm updating that, I do want to go up here, and I do want to show you guys we have the brand new Lost Mode for mobiles and tablets. And of course, we have some other enhancements, but this is the actual new feature. So I'm going to open up the Samsung Find again, okay? And again, we're going to go to Samsung Galaxy S25 Edge. Right over here, I'm going to tap on More. And again, now you can see we have the search nearby, we have the navigate, and we have the lost mode. When I tap on the lost mode, you're going to see we have a whole bunch of brand new options. Let me describe exactly what they do. And you can see, using this brand new lost mode, you are able to lock your phone remotely. So let's say I lost this phone, okay, and it's somehow unlocked. I can just lock it remotely and even change the PIN number of this smartphone remotely using this interface. I can keep the power on this device. So if somebody's trying to turn this off so I cannot track it, I can prevent that from happening right from here. I can just say, do not let the person that found this phone or stole this phone to turn it off, so I can track it on the Samsung Find application. And of course, I can lock my Samsung wallet, which is very important. That's how you pay for stuff. And I can lock my Samsung Pass, which holds many of your passwords. And of course, I can send a message to the finder of the phone. So if somebody that is not a thief just found this phone, I can send them a message from my interface here, so maybe they can give me a call and return the phone to me. Alrighty? So I'm going to tap on Next, and as soon as you tap on Next, you are able to activate a brand new lost mode. So as an example, I'm going to use on this phone, I'm going to keep it right here. So look at this. This phone, let's say, is stolen, and somebody's playing with it right now. So I can put the PIN number, I'm just going to say 111 as an example. 111, okay? And then I can put a phone number that is me sending that person a message so they can call me if they want to give me that phone back. Or I can just send them a message. So I can tap like that. I can type in a message and I can say thanks. Whatever message you want, you can do it right here. And then look at this. I'm going to tap on lock. And then it's going to ask me to put in my Samsung password, which I just did now. I'm going to tap on OK. And look at what happens right over here. Boom! It gets locked. The phone is locked. Here's the message I sent. I could have sent my phone number, and you can see over here, I cannot log in with any other PIN number except for the 1111 that I set up. Obviously, you have to set something much more advanced up, but you can see right here, it shows me the status of this phone. So it says locked, Lock phone, check. Lock power off, check. I cannot even power off this phone. So I can press and hold. It doesn't allow me to power off the phone. And here you can see lock Samsung wallet is locked and Samsung passes locked. So I'm going to tap on done, and you can see it says lost mode on. So that phone is kind of safe, and now I can actually search for it or navigate to it if I want to personally track it down. So that's the lost mode. Now you're thinking to yourself, not everybody has a secondary phone to track another phone. No problem. Look at this. There is a Samsung website you can go to, log in with your Samsung username and Samsung password, and then you can do the same thing on the website. Let me show you that website really quickly. So if I go to over here, you want to save this website somewhere, but if I go to my settings, you can see we have this Samsung Find website that allows you to do the same thing on the website on any computer, PC, Mac, your tablet, another phone, a friend's phone, whatever. You can go to the Samsung website, you can log in, and you can do the same thing I did to this phone on the actual website, no problem, okay? So if you ever lose your phone, you can go to find.samsung.com, log in, and do everything right from the control panel on the website. So fantastic new update. And again, after you update, you're going to get this brand new feature right over here that you can turn on. Powerful security and protection measures. Any questions, comments, or concerns, drop them down below, guys. For now, have a fantastic day, all right?